Good morning, good evening, good day. It is Sunday here in Dalat. I am going on a day trip to see some waterfalls and a flower garden. So first of all, I'm going to go get some breakfast. I get picked up in about 45 minutes time from here, so I'm going to go around the corner and see what I can find, and then come back, get on the bus, and it should be a good day. It's a group tour. I'm not sure how many people are going to be on it, but we'll go see some of the most beautiful spots in Dalat, and I'm very excited to share it with you. Let's go. Right, so a nice fresh breakfast. Alright, we are all done there. So that was 55,000 dong, which is about $3.20, which is just ridiculously good value. I'm going to go back to the hotel now, quickly freshen up. The tour guide called me and said he's going to be here in about 20 minutes, so yeah, keen for the adventure. Let's do it. Alright, we're doing a coaster down to the waterfall. Let's do it. Let's go. Alright, here we go. Right, here we go again. Ew! Holy shit! The speed! Oh, jeez! That was sick. Well, this has been a pretty good experience. I think it cost about $18 Australian to do this, so I think that's definitely worth it. Damn, so just talking to the tour guide, and I didn't realise the flower village, which is one of the things you do today, all the flowers are gone as of the Chinese New Year. So since February they've been disappeared, which is really frustrating, but anyway, at least get to see some cool waterfalls, and that was a good experience. And we're going to a couple of temples and other things as well, so I'll take you with us. Let's go.
Not flat, so you cannot be a big sky. Fog in the morning, just so calm, so calm. Now I don't see it anymore. I went to the
Right, here we are at Honggu Waterfall. It's about 60 minutes outside of Dalat, and yeah, go down and have a look. First thing to see, we got a Buddha. Nice. Alright, I'll see you down there. That is insane. This could be one of the most beautiful views I've ever seen. I've seen a few waterfalls in my life, but never so much water coming down at once. This is truly beautiful. So these are all volcanic rocks here. Does have a bit of a charcoal smell about it. But very nice place. Lunch break and back to the final waterfall. Let's go. Alright, so this is the Lady Buddha. Started production in 2016 and finished only in 2020, so it's not very old. 63 meters tall, and there's a female version of Buddha, obviously.
What does it do? So from here, the cocoon will jump into the machine. They jump into the machine automatically, okay?
Which one? That's the end result, hey?
Yeah, this is the end result. This should be a great grip for your future wife. Take it.
No, it's okay, thank you.
I buy for you.
And there is the Hong Kong Silk Factory. Yeah, pretty interesting experience actually. Never thought I would see silk making in the flesh like that. It's, yeah, pretty interesting. From a cocoon, they sort of get rid of the outer layer and then get rid of the worm and extract all the silk. So, pretty cool stuff. Right. Cricket farm. Yummy.
Okay, this is the Q&A session. You ask and I will answer.
Why they're not noisy?
They will make tons of noise in the evening. Stay together. You know what I mean? So they need to be at the same side. Okay, that's how they harvest. They never get away from the egg carton. They love it.
It's a trap. And now it's time for dinner.
Okay, no pretend that you're vegetarian. How do you say in Vietnam? Một, hai, ba, zo.
Cheers.
Cheers. Bottoms up.
Oh, it's strong. Alright, going in. First, oh, you're okay. First time trying crickets. Which one?
Dip it in. Really.
Oh, God.
More.
Hater? Oh. Attendez, on met de la sauce. Alright, here goes nothing. Oh. You okay, huh? That is so much better than I thought.
It's good.
Give me cricket.
It's good, but man, like it's really ugly.
It's freaky when you're looking at it. Don't look at it, just get it in there. Oh, goodness gracious. Alright, so 100 grams, 30 grams of protein.
Don't smoke.
This one.
Delicious.
Keep them everything for 3 days before harvest. So they will need clean water.
The final stop of the day, coffee farm.
You see this bean. So what is this kind of coffee? This is a very specialty coffee, okay?
Arabica.
No. Something that you never seen before. Because there's no way that a coffee tree is this big. There's no way. Usually only that big. But why? Why is one is so big? Notice. Because it's so short and the leaves are so small that we call it Arabica or tea coffee. Here we call it tea coffee because they look like tea. Only pick the red ones, alright? Dry them. They dry it. They dry it. So they will pull the bean, they will bring the bean outside.
Pretty cool. I love the coffee plantation. We're about to go in and try some coffee that's been pooped out of the butt of a weasel, so it'll be quite interesting. Parkour. Smart. So here we are in the middle of a weasel poop farm. Right, so I have ordered a mocha weasel coffee. How about the view? We are with the Weasel mocha coffee. It's a bit of a slow drip scenario. Bit of condensed milk on the side. Let's give it a go. Alright, so very, very strong by itself. So we'll put the condensed milk in, give it a go. The condensed milk, absolutely lovely. What a great day. Alright, and that is going to wrap up a pretty awesome day, to be honest. Saw 3 different waterfalls, got to try some Weasel poo coffee, saw how silk was made, tried some crickets, met the wonderful Sue. What a good man he is. It's been a great day.
I'm the best guy. He's the best tourist. He's very kind.
He's a great man, so
Give him some credit.
yeah, appreciate it. Like the video, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Alright, so before we wrap up this day, I'm back where I was yesterday, and I'm going to try a new dish this time, so let's give it a go. Bit of a beautiful homemade peach tea to start. Let's go. Hey, and here we have the bun cure bear, so something new. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. So they're super crispy pork spring rolls, and then with like a fish sauce that I touched on yesterday. And it's just when you're eating it, you just know it's good for you, and it's super tasty. So that's why I'm back. Enjoying every second. Well, that is 2 absolutely beautiful meals at that place there. Unfortunately, this is going to be my last day here in Dalat. I am going to be going home now. I'm booking some transport tomorrow. This place has been really good, so cheap, so beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed the content today. I had a lot of fun out with that tour group. Probably going to go out and have some drinks with a few of them later and see the nightlife, but obviously want to take you with me for that. And if you can please like the video and subscribe to the channel, that would be greatly appreciated. I'm going to be continuing to post these videos and loving every second of it. So hope you have a good night. Cheers, bye.